Hello, how are you all? So, we are meeting again after 2 days. Mondays, you all did Mother's Day artwork, and all of you did a fantastic job. I thought the figures or faces will be difficult for you, but all of you did wonderful job. Even younger kids are doing portraits so well. So, I'm really happy and thank you for your lovely response. For those who are new, I'm Shefali teacher. I love teaching art. I'm teaching since 1988 from last 32 years, and I'm enjoying teaching online on Instagram and meeting you all people. Now many of you I remember with your names also, because you all are so regular sending me your lovely works. And I started this for the lockout, because the lockdown was there, and when the lockdown started, I thought children will get bored at home. So I started this art, and slowly adults also joined, and now we are a big family doing art together. We all are doing art together, so it's fun. So in all my every classes now, from last few days, I have started taking 2 sessions, one for younger kids and one for older kids and adults. But both all whatever art projects I take, it's fun for both the age groups. So all of you can do both the things. It is fun, it is relaxing, no pressure, and we are not here judging your artwork. We are enjoying, and there are so many of you are professional, like some of you are like so good, you are already doing so good art. So thank you for joining. So today what we need, we need oil pastel colors, watercolors. My first project will be with oil pastel colors and watercolors. Keep water also ready in a bowl. Keep brushes ready. As I told you in my few initial classes, that you should keep your material at one place so it is easy to find out. Keep tissue paper or old cloth ready. Then the shading pencil. If you don't have, regular pencil will do. Earbuds and eraser. And for the portrait, yes, we are going to do one more portrait of Krishna. Today it is little difficult, but you will manage, and the steps are very easy. So the portrait of Krishna, and there is one fun art activity with oil pastel and watercolor, and adults will also enjoy. So if you have oil pastels and watercolor, join me for that first activity. And the second activity, we need a bowl, that round bowl, we use it for the portrait, and the ruler. So keep these materials ready. Let me see, you grab your material. Till then I'll say hello to my all students there. So hi, how are you? I'm just telling you the material what you have to get. So hi Priyanshi, how are you? And say, give me your name so I can say hi. Who is there today? Hello, I don't know your name. Hi Sneh, say hello. Akesh. Hi Akesh, I love your work. You are doing wonderful job. Hi Jagu, how are you? Hi Rihanna. A4 size paper will do, yes. Dhairya and Dhanvi, how are you? Lee Siva and Arthav. Hi. Hi Namrata. Hi Devina. I need to repeat. Nayoni, hi, how are you? We need oil pastels, we need watercolors, we need pencil shading. Hi Krishya, Anuva, Itasha and Dhaira and Myra. Oh, wow. Hi Sukruti and Yashvi and Rishabh. Hi Tanish, how are you? Hi Tanya. So all of you, a big love, and let's start with our artwork. I'm not wasting time for anything because I want to do both the activities. The Krishna stuff is little difficult and longer, so let's start. No warming up, no art exercise. This first artwork is only the fun thing. All children there, please do with me. So we need oil pastels. We are going to do directly with oil pastels. So we need oil pastels and watercolors, and keep water ready and brush ready. I need 2 brushes. I will use one, the round brush, and one I will use thin and one thick. Okay, so let's start. Pratha and Mitansh, hi. Come on, let's start. Now I'll switch off the comments and we'll start working. We have Akruti with us today. So hi Akruti, thank you for always taking our video.
Hi everyone.
So now we will take first, all of you know about warm colors. I want all of you to do this. Even mamas can join, this is fun. So I am taking warm colors, red color family colors. So I am taking maroon, shades of pink and shades of red I am taking. Okay, I am taking this maroon also. I can take this also. So I am taking few colors, family of red and pink. All of you, you also take family of red and pink. Now we'll use half page. You have to make spirals. Just look at my work and then you start your work. So I am taking maroon first. We'll make a spiral. Enjoy. Then take another color, maybe pink I am taking. I'll make one more pink here. I'm adding one because I felt more places there in between. Now I will take red. I'll take another color, this pink. So it's fun to use different shades of red and pink and make spirals. If there is small place, I'll make little smaller one. Here also I'll repeat the same color. But I'll leave above space empty. Don't do anything up. Leave this space empty. This is the horizontal way, landscape way we are using the paper. We are making different shades, spirals. Leave the upper space empty. You can use any color. It can join each other. I am making here a little bigger one, the big space. So it's a spiral. This is a some warming up exercise also to your fingers. One more here. I'll take this pink again here. Again here I'll use pink. So feel free to use whichever colors you like. Go with your intuition and make this pattern. here. If you feel there is a bigger space, just make one more line in between. The painting will be beautiful, so don't wait, start. All of you, please do it. It's fun and it will look nice. So I'll keep aside, I'll keep back. Don't forget to keep it at proper place so you can't lose out on any of your color. We made few spirals with warm colors. Let your heart comes in, because your heart, I can see that you are watching it and you are liking it. We'll switch off the comments because then the screen get filled up with the comments, and those who are doing seriously, they can't do it. So I got some suggestions, so I'm following that. Yes, your hearts are coming up. Yeah, you are liking it. So these are all warm colors. Those who don't know warm colors, warm colors are the shades of red, orange and yellow which we see in the flame of fire. Only the purple color comes in the category of warm and cool both. So these are the spirals we made. Now we'll take the shades of green. Pick up any 4-5 shades of green from the box. We have to use colors. It's fun to use colors. So I am taking 4, 5, 6 shades of green. Now we'll make the stems. With one of the darkest green, we can make the stems. Straight lines. This will look fantastic because we are going to use watercolors also with this. Even young kids, 5 years, can also do this, and the older and adults can also do this, because the magic is of the technique. So the fun is of the technique, and this is warming up also. After doing this, pick up any green. Not compulsory which greens. Keep on making leaves wherever you like. Randomly you can make leaves. Use different colors. Make leaves wherever the place is available. Just make leaves. Any shape you can use, any colors you can use. Keep on making leaves. So we have to fill up this space with the shades of green. Green is a cool color. Oil pastels are always fun to work with. Once you are done with you keep on changing the colors. Once you are done with the leaves, you have to fill up the place. You can make any shapes, any lines in this surrounding part with greens only, but it should not touch each other, so you have to fill up the space. So the way you want, follow your intuition, follow your creativity, whatever you like, any colors, but we have to fill up the space. Maybe lines you can do. Keep on changing the color. It is fun. So we are getting so many green shades. Not necessarily we have to use only one. So we used all the greens. We filled up all the places, the lower part. Sometimes we get so many colors in the box, but we keep on using only few colors. So it's fun to use all the colors. So I am done with the shades of green. So we used family of red and pink, then the family of green. Believe me, it will look fantastic once we will use watercolors. This is wonderful technique. Many of you have suggested me to put my videos on YouTube. I'm trying to put videos on YouTube because I don't have any old videos of Insta Live. But I'll try to put videos for kids because the lockdown has extended and kids are getting bored at home. But big salute to my all moms and all the kids. You all are amazing. Because it is difficult to stay home for so many days. So now I am taking shade of blue and one black. So I am taking blue and black. I am taking only two colors. You can take 2 to 3 colors, maybe family of blue. You can take purple, blue, black, whatever you like. So with blue I am making one circle. All of you can make the way you want a butterfly. Direct with oil pastel. We are not using pencils. And don't worry, these are very simple art warming up exercise. So we don't need first pencil and then the oil pastel. Now I will create some patterns in this butterfly with blue only. But both the side I'll make same. You can change the wings of the butterfly. You can make the patterns whatever you like. There is no rule in this. So I made one butterfly. I'll make one more blue butterfly. So here I'll make little bigger. Believe me, with only oil pastel and watercolor we can create such a wonderful work. When it will be ready, you will be surprised to see the wonderful work. Even adults can enjoy because this is a technique. We are playing with the technique. So I have created some patterns. Doesn't matter, but try to make both the sides same. Now I am taking black. Circle and drop one and the second. If you have oil pastel, please try. Second work we are going to do with the pencil only. The last butterfly, one more. Here I am doing only plain wings. So small kids can do plain wings. And you can make any patterns you like. So we are done with the blue and black butterflies. If you can't, my speed is fast. You all can do 2 right now and the other remaining later on. And if you can do it with me, you can do it. So once we are done with this, you continue with the butterflies. I'll go ahead. So these are Camel Artist watercolors, cake colors. Why using watercolors? Even these colors for kids also. These are artist watercolor, but for kids also these are very good because it has a different texture and it is really good for everyone. So now here the water is there. Here this is the little thicker brush. This is, I think, 7 or 8 number brush. Can't see the number. So we have to take, these are watercolors. So we have to take more water. I'm using this light green. You can choose from this any one green. I'm using this green, and you have to take more water and less paint. So just we need little paint, and we are going to paint this part. So you will see wonderful shades, because watercolors can't stay on the oil pastel, so it will leave the space of what oil pastels. So you will get a very good pattern. So you have to just fill it up. Wherever we have done green, you have to fill it up. You can do little. If you can't do with me the green portion, you can do half. The remaining you can do later on. It will give a very good pattern and a texture. You can use your creativity and make any design or a painting on a paper. This is a technique I have taught you, but you can create your own paintings. You can write something and paint with watercolor. It will give good effect. So I am done with the green colors. If you are not done, you can leave it. You can complete it later on. So here you have to be very careful. Once you wash your brush should be very clear. I am taking water in another container because I want fresh water. So we have to always, for watercolor, we have to use 2 water. One is to clean the brush, and second is to use for the painting. Now we are using clean brush, and I am using the middle one, yellow, the sunshine yellow, chrome yellow. I will use it for the background around the butterflies. This is really relaxing, therapeutic. You will enjoy, all of you. If you have oil pastel and watercolor, please try this. This is fun. We have to take more water and less paint. We have to do it very lightly. We can't give pressure on the paper, otherwise the paper will come out. Around the butterfly, by chance it goes in the butterfly, doesn't matter, but try to don't go inside the butterfly, just do outside the butterfly. We are doing with around the butterfly. Hold the brush from the back so you can't give the pressure. All kids, you can do it. Even mothers, this is fun. So after this sky yellow we did, we'll go on flowers. Okay, so I am taking this red, crimson red, and I am using with more water. I am putting it in this flower, the pink one. I'll color all pink flowers with this crimson red. But be careful, your green must have dried, otherwise it may spread. So first let your green dry, because first I did green and then I went on yellow. So till the time I did yellow, the green has dried. So I can do it here. So with so much less effort, our flowers has bloomed. So we are done with the pink flowers. So we are taking this orange color. I'll be taking orange in this maroon. And one I am taking in this red. I'll take one more here. So generally we have to do balancing. If we are doing one here, the another we have to balance. If you will do all the pink here, it doesn't look nice. So if we have to balance here, even also here in the butterflies, I have balance. So balancing is important. So I did 3. Then I'll take this red color. So I will clear it first, and then I'll take red. I'll do in this pink. I'll use it here also, this. This is so much fun. And now I'll take this color again, the crimson red. So we have to fill up all the flowers with different paints. The family of orange, red and crimson red. But I'm taking care, I don't want next to each other the same color. So I'm using different, even with the one color only you can color all. There are no rules. And I'm keeping this tissue paper to wipe it, because I don't want the colors to get mixed in my palette. And now the last one I'll do with this. So we are done with all the flowers now. We are done with all the flowers. And now we'll go for the butterflies. For the butterflies, I'll use the thin brush. So for the center, I'm using this ochre yellow. and here also I'll do the same. Now we'll use red using another blue here in the center. I forgot to paint this color. Here I'll take the another red. Red is my favorite color, so whatever is favorite you can use it. There are no rules, you can use any colors. You can color the same color also for the wings. Using orange here. So it is, you feel free to use any colors, and the fun is the paint won't go on oil pastel, so you have to take so much less effort. It won't go outside the lines because oil pastel will hold the colors. Now this will use only one color. Let it be red, so it will blend. When it will sit on the flower, it will blend with the flower. Let's use the ochre yellow here. And we'll use black there. Let's see how it looks. It is looking nice, the black. So much fun, right? I'm going little fast because I have to do one more assignment. So we are done with this. You all can take a screenshot if you want, so you can easily do this. So it's very less efforts we have done this. Once you finish, you can write some message here write some good quote. Some good quote. Let me also write something. What I should write? I am writing something simple. You also can write whatever you want to write, but write some quote. It will be fun. I am writing with glass marker. Because nowadays nature is in full bloom, there is no pollution. So we are done. It took almost 40 minutes for this art project. Comments on. So all of you enjoyed this? Have you enjoyed this oil pastel and watercolor technique? You enjoyed this? All of you? All will do it? You can touch this video. So we will have this project for 2 minutes. So now, hope all of you have enjoyed. I am looking forward to see your all work, even kids, adults. We all are going to draw now one portrait of Krishna. Keep your pencils ready. Even kids can try, because I saw many of you, many of children do very good portraits also. Yeah, so we'll start. You all loved it. It is really, this is very relaxing. This is so much fun. Even kids. Today I am taking Krishna. Yeah, you can try. You can try next time with oil pastel. And this is with this technique you can create any patterns, any design. You can do mandala with oil pastel and paint with watercolor. You can do so many things with this technique. This technique is fantastic. Okay, so keep ready your material for portrait, and we'll start with the portrait work, right?